How to request a price match at Target. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to step by step provide you with a tutorial both online, so you can just head over and follow out the step for that. So you can go to target.com for that, and Target matches competitive prices online under certain conditions. So once you go to Target, you can add certain items to cart. So go ahead and find the specific product that you would like to add to cart. For example, let's say this candy and treats. So head over and find it up. And once you find it up, you can add that specific product to cart. So find the option for add to cart for that. So tap on add to cart and then add that specific product to your cart of your Target, like this. Now, once the product is added to your cart, we can just go over and go to the checkout option. And once we are headed over to the checkout section, we can look out for price match guarantee section on the product page usually. So you can just head over and find that section and click on the option called request a price match. So usually in the product page itself, when we scroll down, we can find different section, and we should also be finding an option separately called price match guarantee on the product page. You can just go and find that option and click on it and enter up your competitor name linked to the item verified lower price, and Target will review your request and contact you with a confirmation. You can just go over and check it out and do so. And prices must be current at the competitor store or website and same item, size, and model only. Price matches can take effect at checkout or after request approval online. So you can just go over and do so. And that way you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.